Hi guys, welcome back with the third. Yes, it's the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper, no. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 26th, 2022, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Tuesday edition. Tuesday, October the 25th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. It's time now for the Tectonic with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijferblok. Cijferblok. In Japanese, they call it Suguru. Yes, it's a Suguru. And this one will be number 5389. Yes, it's 5389. 5389. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. 17. Wow. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. So this one should be an easy one. It's also indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. The single box, always a 1. This one is a single box. Do we have more single boxes? No, only one single box. Oh well, actually 2, but this one is already filled in. Dual boxes. Do we have a dual box here? Well, I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes in this? Here we have a triple box. Contains the 1 and 2 and a 3. 3. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Triple box. Quadra boxes then. Let me scan for the quadra boxes. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also, that box, that box has the same name as this box. Okay. So that box has the same name as this box. T-shape. Do we have more of those T-shapes? No. Then the following shape. Let me see, which shape can I use? How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Well, another one. So this box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Oh, overlook this quadra box. Well. Let me finish this one. This box has the same name as that box. Overlooked this L shape. Quadra L shape. Well, do we have more L shapes? Here, another one upside down. This box has the same name as that box. Well, this quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And when you see a L shape in a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. There are more. 6, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there. If you place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there, so it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be here. Alright. This box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We see another 1 there, so no 1 here. Only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. This box can be a 1. Those 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. That box can also not be a 2. We have a 2 over there. So here can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Alright. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 that you left in this W area shape for number 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 3. Alright. This box can be 2. This box can be a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So 1 that you left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes, wait. No, wrong. Conclusion, these 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. Well, we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can't be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. That box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. And this box is connected with that box, so also 3 or a 4. But it cannot be a 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place a 3 there. The 4 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. One box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. 1 and 3. These two boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Well, these two boxes can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 3 here or there. The only place left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. These two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. Well, if I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 there. Or a 3 in the same area. So it's not the solution to place a 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. Then this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So one box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. Two numbers are left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. One box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. One box left in this area for number 2. Alright, these two boxes can be a 3. Those two boxes can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. One box left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Of course, because this is connected with each other. So the same number. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So two numbers left, the 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 15 minutes. So it's definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, it's Thursday. With new puzzles. I hope we will have an additional with extra puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you around.